Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Junior on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a cryptography CTF challenge from Yellow Yak CTF. The challenge is called the Curious Rabbit. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The task is to decrypt the flag. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here's the challenge, the Curious Rabbit. Reasonably easy exercise in finding information and tools. The Curious Rabbit. Once upon a time in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a little rabbit named Malte. Malte was no ordinary rabbit. He had a heart full of curiosity and a spirit eager for adventure. One sunny morning, as the birds were singing and the flowers were blooming, Malte hopped out of his cozy burrow with a sparkle in his eye. Rumors had been circulating among the forest creatures about the mysterious flag that fluttered at the top of the great oak tree. Legend had it that whoever found this flag would be granted a wish. The idea of a magical flag filled Malte's little heart with excitement, and he decided that he would be the one to find it. With his small backpack filled with a carrot sandwich and some berries, Malte set off on his grand adventure. The enchanted forest was a vast and wondrous place, with tall trees, babbling brooks, and hidden meadows. As he hopped along, Malte encountered friendly butterflies, wise old owls, and mischievous squirrels who all wished him luck on his quest. His journey was not without challenges. Malte had to navigate through a thicket of thorns, cross a bubbling stream on a shaky log, and outsmart a cunning fox who tried to trick him. But with determination and a bit of luck, he overcame each obstacle, drawing closer to the great oak tree. After a day of hopping and exploring, Malte finally reached the base of the towering oak. Its branches reached high into the sky, and the leaves rustled with secrets of the forest. Undeterred, Malte began his climb, using his strong hind legs to leap from branch to branch. The air grew thinner, but he pressed on, driven by the hope of finding the mysterious flag. Halfway up in the tree, Malte gazed towards the horizon to get a new perspective of things, and realized that he could see all the way to the River of Tears, 13 miles away. He was amazed that he could see that far, and felt grateful for this new insight. Finally, at the top of the tree, Malte saw it, a shimmering flag with colors that seemed to change with the light. It was a magical sight, and Malte felt a sense of awe as he gazed upon it. With a gentle breeze, the flag fluttered, revealing ancient symbols that Malte couldn't understand, but found enchanting nonetheless. Remembering the legend, Malte closed his eyes and made his wish. As he opened them, the flag glowed brighter, and suddenly the forest around him seemed to come alive with vibrant colors and newfound energy. Malte realized that his wish had been granted. The enchanted forest was now even more magical than before. Filled with joy, Malte descended from the great oak tree and hopped back to his burrow, eager to share the news with his friends. From that day on, the little rabbit became a legend himself, known for his bravery and the magical adventure that brought even more enchantment to the heart of the enchanted forest. And whenever the wind rustled through the leaves, the creatures of the forest would look up, wondering if they could catch a glimpse of the mysterious flag that Malte had discovered on his extraordinary journey. The flag with the text, and then we have some sort of encrypted flag here. As I read through this text, something stuck out to me, and that's this sentence here, where we have River of Tears 13, ROT 13, which is a kind of Caesar cipher. We can look at this in CyberChef. Here we have ROT13, a simple Caesar substitution cipher which rotates alphabet characters by the specified amount, default 13. So let's grab that one, and let's also grab the flag, the encrypted flag, and see what happens. And there we have the solution. Yellow Yak CTF, Malte for president. Okay, so we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.